Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not sharing your location. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store. Once updated, open the Settings app on your device and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Then tap on Location Services. Here, make sure it's enabled. Next, scroll down and find Instagram in the list of apps. After that, tap on it and set location access to while using the app. This ensures that Instagram can access your location whenever you're posting or sharing. After that, open Instagram and try creating a new post or story. When adding your location, tap Add Location and select the correct place. If it still doesn't appear, try turning off and on your phone's GPS or toggling airplane mode on and off for a few seconds. Finally, make sure you have a stable internet connection as Instagram needs it to fetch nearby locations. And that's all. By checking your location settings and ensuring GPS is active, your Instagram location should work properly again.